Hello everyone, welcome back to Nadia's Creative Cooking. Today I have a delicious conch fritter with a special sauce for you. This conch fritter is incredibly delicious. I had to tell my husband to slow down because he was enjoying it way too much. First, let's remove this black and chewy part. Be careful so it won't cut yourself. Clean the conch meat with vinegar and water. Cut it into small pieces. Next, put it in a food processor, not a blender. Add chopped onions and bell peppers. Garlic. Chopped tomatoes. Chopped green onions. Chopped celery, hot pepper, thyme and parsley. Next, process it, but don't make it too fine. I like it chunky. If you don't have a food processor, you can cut the conch meat very finely and add the chopped vegetables. Next, put everything in a bowl and add your seasoning. I add Old Bay seasoning, and my very own bouillon powder with no MSG or chemical, all natural. It will be available soon. I add flour, chicken stock, add more chicken stock until you get the desired consistency. Next, I add baking powder, ketchup, and lime juice. Give it a good mix to make sure that all the seasonings are well incorporated. Next, I have a pot with oil on low heat. I'm going to fry the conch batter. Do not overcrowd the pot and make sure the oil is not too hot so the inside can be well cooked before the outside get brown. If you guys like the video so far, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And do not forget to like it. Let's make our special sauce. You need mayo, ketchup, crushed garlic, lime juice, and Sriracha sauce. Give it a good mix. Et voila! Let's remove the last batch from the pan. Et voila, guys, this is a hit every time I make it. The sauce goes so well with the conch fritters. It is so good. Go give it a try. Look at that. And stay creative in your cooking.